Hello, welcome to What About? What about a visit to Lochwinnoch in the west of Scotland? Welcome to our video. We're here in Lochwinnoch in west central Scotland, Lochwinnoch, part of Clyde Muirshiel Regional Park. Look at these lovely swans. We've got lots of swans, ducks, and some seabirds there as well. I think this week, I'm not too sure seabirds, but we've got some food today for the swans and the ducks and everything else to come up and collect some food from us today. We've got some sweet corn. Sweet corn is good to feed. Yeah, it is. Here we go. So let's enjoy feeding the wildlife here at Lochwinnoch. Oh look, everybody's coming to get some. Yeah, oh there's a duck here. Yep, let's give it a duck there. There we are. There we go, you take some more. There we go. Nice swans, aren't they? Love swans. So another swan coming over there, look over there. Just behind you there, there we go. That's come to get some. There's another nice duck over here as well. Oh yeah, come on. Oh sorry, I forgot about you there. Getting distracted by another duck. There we go. Is that nice? There we go, you get stuck into that. Hello duck. Yes, there's a swan. Got some pigeons here as well. Oh, let's just throw some over there. What my feet. I'm trying. Sorry. Yeah. Nearly, yeah. Well, look at all the wildlife. Absolutely great to see. So if you want to do some bird watching, this is a perfect place to come for some birding. Because over just across there, over the other side of the loch, is the RSPB Nature Reserve here in Lochwinnoch. So if you like bird watching, then that is the place to go, just across the loch there at the local RSPB Nature Reserve. There we go. Yes. We've also got some peas as well, so we'll make some peas as well later on. Yep. There we go. Polly oats as well, yeah. There we go, all finished. Yes. Beautiful swans, absolutely beautiful.
And ducks.
Ducks as well, I love the ducks. Hello.
What you got for me? Nothing.
Yeah, we'll get some peas as well, okay? We'll do that in a while. Yeah. I've got some porridge oats now for them, for the swans to enjoy. There we go. Enjoy the porridge oats. There we are.
Got them covered. No, you got nothing. I don't know if I like that so much. Maybe come back later and give them some tea.
Yeah, we'll come back later on and give them some peas. Now you can get involved in various boating activities here at the loch via Clyde Muirshiel Regional Park, and you can go on the water here on the loch. We're going to take part in the walking trail. We're going to take a wee walk on the walking trail. That's just down there. But first, we'll head into the tea room. There's a wee tea room in there. We can enjoy a cup of tea first. So let's go in. Before we head off on the walking trail, we've popped into the tea room, got my tea and a brilliant French fancy. Look at that, excellent. I'll definitely walk this off in a wee minute or two. So I'll get stuck into this. Just there, we've got a gift shop. So you can check out that great wee gift shop here at the tea room. It's a wee bit blowy on the loch, but it's still alright. It's brilliant scenery here at Lochwinnoch. Just finished our tea and cake, so now we better do some steps on the walking trail here at Lochwinnoch. So let's go and check out the walking trail. So we're out on the wee jetty here at the loch, just give you a view all around the loch here. At Castle Semple Loch. Castle Semple Loch.
That's not correct.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. So, still got more of the walking trail to go. There we go, as you can see, there's a nice brisk walk to do.
With your ears covered up.
Need your ears covered. I've got a really hat and my coat I've not put on yet, I'll need to do that. Some more benches if you want to sit and take a wee rest for a minute or two. That'd be quite handy. There's a nice walk here in Lochwinnoch. Good little walking trail. I think that's some ducks there in the field with the sheep. Either that is geese. I'm pretty sure it is ducks. There we go, if you can drop us a comment. There's one over there. There's a few ducks there. Right, as I say, that's geese. Let's try to get a close-up shot there. Oh, now approaching the end of our little walking trail. There's a guy who walked, nice brisk walk to do it as one of the planes heading back to the airport because we're quite nearby the airport. There we go. So, as I say, we're just approaching the end of our little walking trail. You'll see just up here, it's quite a...
Some of us are older than others.
Yeah, we'll really say on camera. We've got some nice little benches here you can take a seat on. Some, what do you call it, nice wood crafting, is that what we call it? Wood sculpture and crafting. We'll take a little look at that just before we wrap up the video here for you. Of course, there's a bench table here as well. You can sit and enjoy a picnic or a flask of tea and coffee. So there we go. There's the back of some of the chairs here, benches. And here's the artwork on the wood here. That is great. That is excellent. Take a little closer look in just a second. Take a little close look at this one here.
They're beginning to erode them a little bit.
Yeah, unfortunately, yep. But still nice pieces of work. You can see the petals on that one there, eh? Petals and a dragonfly as well. And over on that one there is a fish.
This one here. Come over.
So there you go, there's a proper, the map of Castle Semple, and you can see the trail that I've been on. There we are right there. Plus we're at the top, way over there. Don't know how many steps it is, but I've got a few, good few today. And just up that hill there, that's one of the other walking routes you can take, and keep on walking.
2,500.
2,500, there we go, 2,500 steps. Give or take, yep. Before we leave you, you can check out our video of the views from Lyle Hill in Greenock, and on that video you can see more great views and scenery here in West Central Scotland. That's our views of Lyle Hill in Greenock on our YouTube channel here on Whatabouts. Thank you very much for joining us on this video here at Lochwinnoch and Castle Semple Loch. It's been great to take a walk through the walking trail and our nice tea and cake as well earlier on, and the swans and ducks. Thank you very much for joining us on this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to our channel to see more of our upcoming videos. Thank you very much for joining me, David, on this video.